You can see that the one without arc in the back is the front, or you can look at the front edge. F is front, R is rear, and we're going to put it on top. Then we put the buckle on. Buckle select this to install the front one. This buckle will be tighter. Same here. Pull it up to see if we have installed it. Use a smaller buckle here, the same steps. Fasten the buckle and push it to the middle. This place, we'll install it here, because this place is easier to stuff the buckle. Fasten the buckle and push it smoothly to the middle. We start installing the back. To install the connection, you need to card these two large buckles first. The flat side faces the glass. It gets stuck like this. Same here, the plane faces the glass. After it is installed, pan a little bit, move it halfway to leave a place for the back. We take out another piece. Insert the back sunshade into the buckle. Both sides must be stuck into the buckle. Same here. Confirm again whether it is pressed tightly. Install two more buckles in the back position. Then go to the two sides and install the buckle as well. Okay, sunshade roof is done.